Let me start with a sentence every engineer has said at some point. The numbers are right. The calculations were checked. The ratings were within limits. The safety margins were added. The software outputs looked clean. And yet, the system still failed. So the real question is not why the system failed. The real question is, why did it feel safe before it failed? Numbers feel safe. They are precise. They are definite. They can be reviewed, audited, approved. In meetings, numbers protect decisions. In documents, numbers protect responsibility. In failures, numbers protect careers. Numbers give us something to point at. And slowly, without realizing it, numbers start doing something dangerous. They shift responsibility away from judgment. Here's what actually happens in real plants. Engineers begin to trust numbers more than system behavior, more than site feedback, more than early warning signs, more than operational instability. You hear the system behaving differently. You see drift, noise, oscillations, but the response is always the same. The numbers say it should work. That sentence is never spoken before success. It is always spoken after discomfort begins. This trust in numbers is not stupidity. It's not laziness. It's survival behavior. Numbers are defensible. Systems are not. A spreadsheet can be attached to an email. Operating behavior cannot. A calculation can be signed off. A vibration, a temperature drift, a control oscillation cannot. We don't trust numbers because they're complete. We trust them because they're defensible. And this is the blind spot. Models simplify reality. They have to. Assumptions stack quietly. Boundary conditions get ignored. Interactions get missed. Transient behavior, aging, fouling. Control response, installation variation. None of these are wrong, but when they stack together, the system behaves differently than the math. And here is the unfiltered truth. Correct math on an incomplete model still fails. Systems don't punish bad intentions. They punish comfortable assumptions. At first, failure doesn't look dramatic. It looks confusing. Set points drift. Control loops fight each other. Operators intervene manually. Efficiency drops. And eventually, components fail early. Not because the numbers were wrong, but because they were incomplete. This is where experience often gets misused. Years of experience do not automatically create system understanding. Repeating what worked before is not engineering. It's habit. Copy-paste designs feel efficient until the context changes. And systems always change. Experience without feedback is just habit. Good engineers don't reject numbers. They refuse to stop at them. They listen to systems. They question assumptions. They watch operating behavior. They treat models as guides, not truth. They understand something critical. Numbers describe systems. They do not control them. So here is the unfiltered truth, clearly stated. Systems don't fail because numbers are wrong. They fail because numbers are incomplete. Pause. Let it sit. Numbers are tools. Judgment is responsibility. Systems always have the final say. This is not anti-safety. This is anti-blind trust. Engineering unfettered. Real engineering. No filter.